Before submitting your tax return, the key thing you should do is calculate yourself what you think your tax liability is. And this makes it so much easier when you're putting the numbers into the HMRC website, because when you get a number back from that website that's similar to your own calculation, you know that you haven't made any errors and you've got confidence in what you're doing. You can submit your tax numbers way before the 31st of January deadline, and you don't have to pay at the same time as you submit a tax return. And the advantage of doing it early is that if you did need to contact HMRC, you've got plenty of time to wait on that phone line or to ask questions on the HMRC forum. If you've got side hustle income, for example, you're selling things on eBay, quite a lot of the time you will get a monthly statement that summarizes what's gone on in your account. And what you should do ideally is every month input it into a spreadsheet so you've got a running total of what your income is. And then when you finally do need to submit, it's all in one place and it's quite easy to let HMRC know what's going on. Your broker will give you a tax voucher summary, generally in July, and it's just summarizing the dividends and interest that you've received on a general investment account. So this isn't an ISA or a personal pension. And once you've got this, it's a good time to then submit your tax return, because this information has also gone to HMRC, or at least HMRC have the ability to get their hands on this information. You need to make sure you're submitting the exact same information that's on the tax return. Otherwise, you could get a few queries from the taxman. So here's the spreadsheet that I use. There's an instructional video here. It's a Google Sheet, but you can convert it to Excel. We've got links to the gov.uk website, so you can find out all sorts of information there that helps you with your return. It calculates income tax, national insurance, tax on dividends, tax on interest, and it also calculates capital gains tax. It doesn't work for people in Scotland or for people with a blind allowance or a student loan. It works for current and future tax years, so you can use it to undertake your tax planning as well as paying your current tax bill. I'll put a link in the description as to where you can get hold of this spreadsheet.